found in the same country that we're not mentioning, there was a very big conference. And
does it have two names in its?
yes, yes. And there was a very big conference there, and I had been asked whether, as a former person, I wanted to sit with the VIPs or whether I wanted to meet with some women. I didn't know who the women were. But part of the issue was did I care where I was versus where they were? And they said, you've got to sit with the VIPs. So I was with the VIPs, who were mostly men, and the women said, we're so disappointed in you. You should have been with us. And I should have been. Those are the, but the other part, I was asked to go to another place, to go to a ladies' club. And I thought, I don't want to, go to a ladies' club. It turned out that these were women that were reporters, that were ministers, that had various jobs, and one can't judge because they wear the hijab that they have not anything that they're doing. And frankly, I've met some women in that other country who said, we don't care if we drive, we want to be able to make decisions. And so we have to figure out what are the issues that we're really going to fight about and align ourselves more with what the women in those countries actually want.
And if they have political power, then they can set that agenda. It isn't for us to set the agenda, but the question is, do they have access and power to set the agenda for themselves? And so I generally argued for women's education and women's political rights. They will take it the rest of the way. Whether women drive or not, I think, in a particular place. Yes, I believe they should drive, but if they have political power and they're educated, sooner or later they will drive. And so, if they wish to. In that same country that isn't being mentioned, I actually made my first trip there as a corporate director. And just to show you that things are changing somewhat, when I made that trip, the CEO of this corporation was asked whether or not I actually intended to attend the meetings. And this was in 1999, so not that long ago. And he said, well, yes, he thought it was quite certain that I would attend the meetings. And it's not an upward trajectory. It's not a straight line, but things
But maybe it's not that much
maybe it's more of a stepwise function. You make a little progress and then it levels off for a while, and you make a little bit more progress.